gonna go on a day trip to Seoraksan.
Yes, Seoraksan.
And I've got no clue what it is. Miriam booked everything. I don't even know where it is. Miriam told me it's gonna be pretty.
As Joost told you, we're leaving the buzzing city of Seoul behind us today and are on our way to Seoraksan, but with a stop in between at Nami-island, which is famous for the drama that was recorded here and is supposed to be a very pretty place.
We're at our first stop to Nami-island. You can go by ferry to it or take the zip line. The zip line costs about 35 euros or something. Ferry ride was included in the tickets, so we're just gonna take the ferry.
It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to get to the island, so it's just a short boat trip away with a nice mountain backdrop. It was an excellent timing for a much needed onigiri breakfast. We arrived at the island somewhere around 10. Since it's not a popular season, however, the island was pretty much deserted. It was really nice and quiet, but it's really weird at the same time because there's all this Korean music playing constantly. It's so funny. These things are a bit weird as well. Can someone explain this to me? Is this from some kind of fairy tale? Anyway, the island itself and its surroundings are very pretty. If you're here in spring, it's definitely worth a visit. As I told you, this island is known for Korean drama, so we thought it'd be fun filming our own little drama, so be sure to watch till the end. Anyway, it was time to wrap up our drama shots, head back to the ferry and get some lunch. Since we were with a big group, we had to share this meal and it was so amazing. It took a bit of time to figure things out, but we could decide what we wanted to add to the main dish on a little piece of paper. We didn't really understand what would happen though, but it was the best. Such a great meal and fun to share together. It's now time for our second stop and something I really looked forward to, the Seoraksan National Park. This park is known as one of the most beautiful parks of South Korea, with its highlight, the Ulsanbawi-rocks. We were a bit too early in the year, so walking up to the rocks was not possible unfortunately due to the snow. So plan your trip well if you'd like to do that. I didn't expect this much snow anymore in March. We took the cable car up to the top for some breathtaking views. Not this old one fortunately, they've been upgraded quite a bit. even though we only saw a small bit of the national park and the temple area, this place stole my heart. It is so incredibly beautiful and I would love to spend a whole week there at least to go hiking and exploring the area. Unfortunately, our time is a bit short in South Korea and there's so much else to see. So for now, it's back to the city to spend our last night in Seoul. We ended the day with a perfect Korean fried chicken meal. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one when we are heading south. And enjoy our Korean drama intro.
Is it good?
This is pretty funny. See you next time!